In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build authentication with Supabase Auth. We'll walk through the Supabase dashboard together and set up the core pieces you need: inviting users, creating accounts, configuring email, and reviewing OAuth, policies, and sessions so your app is ready for real users. Start by opening the Supabase dashboard and heading to your projects area. This is where all your Supabase instances live. You can create a fresh project if you're starting from scratch, or simply select an existing project you want to work with. Either path is fine. The key is that you're inside the project where you want to manage authentication. Once you're in a project, open the authentication section in the left sidebar. This is your control center for how users sign up, sign in, and receive emails. In the Users tab, you can invite someone to your app by sending an invitation email. Choose Send Invitation, enter the recipient's email address, and send it off. This is a great option when you want users to verify their email before accessing your app. If you prefer to create an account directly, you can add a new user manually. Enter the user's email address and set a temporary password. Then create the user. This is helpful for admin-driven onboarding, testing flows, or seeding initial accounts. Next, move to OAuth apps to get an overview of third-party sign-in options and related configurations. While you're here, jump into the email area to tailor how your emails look and feel. Consistent branding and clear messaging improve trust and deliverability. For production environments, set up a custom SMTP so your authentication emails are delivered reliably from your own provider. Open SMTP settings to connect your email service. Keep your credentials private and store them securely. This step ensures password reset and confirmation emails reach the inbox, not spam. Head over to Policies to review how access is controlled. Supabase uses row-level security, so policies determine who can read or write data. Take a moment to confirm your rules align with your sign-in flow and user roles. Open sign-ins providers to review available providers like email, magic links, and social logins. Then check OAuth server to understand callback and redirect behavior for third-party providers. You'll configure URLs here when you're ready to go live. Finally, review sessions to see how long sessions last, how refresh tokens behave, and how you might balance security with convenience. And that's it. You've navigated the Supabase Auth dashboard, invited and created users, set up email sending, and reviewed key authentication settings so your app is secure, reliable, and ready for users.